Hi, my name is Telfer and I'm a first-time mom of a 1-year-old named Luna who's helped me discover my passion for cooking. So follow me on this journey as I show you some of the special recipes I make for her. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making banana pancakes, right? So the first thing that we're going for is your banana. We're going to choose a medium banana. Now when you're choosing your bananas, we're going to do the browner the better, right? But honestly, it really doesn't matter. Whatever bananas you have at your disposal, just the browner the better, because we want to go for a more smoother, moister consistency with your banana. Obviously this is for my baby, so I'm gonna touch it. My hands are clean. So I'm going to mash the banana now. And if you have a brown banana, this is gonna be fairly simple for you to mash. Okay, so this consistency should be perfect here. All of the lumps are basically lumpy, like it should be. So we're going to go in with 1 egg. You don't necessarily have to beat the egg. So mix the egg in. Make sure that it's fully incorporated. It should be lumpy, and that is more than okay. That's the consistency that you're going for. So after the egg is fully incorporated, we're going to go in with our oat flour. So I'm going to put half of the flour first. The reason for oat flour is oats are very nutritious for your baby. If you don't have oat flour, you can use regular oats. You can use old-fashioned oats, rolled oats. All you have to do is give it a blitz in the blender and you should be good. So I'm going to add the next half. Okay, so my flour is fully in, so I'm gonna go in with my milk now. This is 1 tablespoon of milk. This is actually formula that I'm using, but you can use breast milk, you can use almond milk. It's suggested to use any milk other than cow's milk, really. Cow's milk isn't good for babies under the age of 1. So the consistency that we're going for is thick, lumpy, not the traditional adult pancake batter. So this should be about perfect. All right, so now we're gonna cook these pancakes. I'm going in with coconut oil. This is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. After each pancake, I'm gonna make sure that the pan is greased. You can use avocado oil, you can use grapeseed oil, you can use unsalted butter. It's really just up to your preference. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of the pancake mixture. Drop it in. It does not have to be a perfect circle. You can add a little bit more if you think you want a little bigger pancake. Okay, so we see it starting to bubble up on the sides. The texture that we're looking for is the pancake is going to be very moist. You will know when to flip it because the top of it is gonna get a little dry and around the edges is gonna get firm. So what I like to do is just kind of poke around to see when I could get like a firm grip on the spatula. It also burns very quickly. I can't tell you all how much pancakes I have burned, but so you really just need to keep an eye on it. All right, so this should be perfect here. So now I'm gonna try to get a nice firm grip to flip. Yes, this is exactly what we're looking for. It's nice and cooked. You should see around the edges, it's a little golden brown. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of like pat it down a little bit. Okay, so the top is already halfway cooked, so I'm just gonna leave it for about a minute just so that the bottom can get cooked a little bit more. So here we have our final plates. We have our banana pancakes. So let's talk about portion sizes. So a 6-month-old will typically maybe eat about half of 1 pancake. And when I say eat, I don't mean consume. And what do I mean by that? So your 6-month-old or 9-month-old, don't expect them to eat everything that is on the plate. The whole point of you making meals for them is so that they can taste and experience different textures. So we want them to bite, we want them to suck and hopefully chew. So a 6-month-old, you can give them half. About a 9-month-old, you can give them 1 whole pancake. You can cut it in half as well. And from 9 to 12 months, let's cut them in maybe small pieces to encourage them to pick them up with their thumb and their index finger, which is called the pincer grasp. You want them to pick it up and put them to their mouth. So after your pancakes are completed and they are cooled, you can store them in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container, and they can hold in the fridge for up to 3 days. So with my daughter, she loves her fruits. So it's a must that I serve at least 2 fruits with these pancakes. So today I chose strawberry and grapes, but you can choose any fruits that you want. You can do pawpaw, you can do watermelon, you can do steamed apples, honestly anything. You can also do Julie mangoes, that's honestly amazing for them. So we have 3 different ways that you can serve the strawberries. For 6-month-olds, we want to serve it to them whole so that they can hold it with their hand and suck, bite, chew. For 9-month-olds, you can move on to halves, and it will be easier for them to bite through the half pieces. And for 9-month-olds to 12 months, they can pick them up using their pincer grasp again and bring them to their mouth. So these are seedless grapes, and grapes are a #1 choking hazard for babies. So what you want to do is make sure that you take the skin off of the grapes, always. So I'm gonna take the skin off and place it back. For 6-month-olds, we can do small pieces of grapes for them to suck and bite on. And for 9 to 12 months, we can do quartered pieces. So you don't want to ever serve whole grapes to your baby. So here we have it, a complete nutritious meal for your baby/toddler. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more recipes.